Say 9 Weather Impact is sponsored by Morgan & Morgan.
All right, here we go. We are tracking our next weather maker that's moving in. Sunday showers. That's the biggest problem coming up for the next several days. There could even be some mix in here. Even in the district, there could be some wet flakes potentially, as well as maybe even some sleet pellets. Would not be super surprised to see that. So you're going to need some extra time for travels. I would have your rain gear ready to go. I know a lot of folks may be hitting the road and heading back to wherever they came from for the holiday weekend. So we're going to keep you on top of this. For now, if you're going to be heading out doing some shopping today, it is cold. Temperatures starting in the 20s and 30s under mainly clear skies. And we end the day also with some cold temperatures. Blustery, very similar to yesterday, except more sunshine. 43 in the district this afternoon. 42 at Manassas, 40 at Leesburg, 40 for your high at Gaithersburg. Look at these lows tonight. Wow, this is some of the coldest air of the season thus far. Here in the district, 29. Temperature 24 at Gaithersburg, 28 at Joint Base Andrews, and Manassas 22, 22 at Fredericksburg. And no, your eyes are not fooling you. Those are teens at Orange, Harrisonburg, and also at Oakland. Temperatures for today, starting off in the 30s and going nowhere fast. Mostly sunny skies this afternoon, right near 40. Allergy index running low on the trees and the molds. Grasses and weeds are absent. 10-day temperature trend. Temperature at 43 today and tomorrow, 46 on Sunday, back down to 45 Monday. Very interesting forecast coming up here next several days, and I'll show you what I mean in a moment. Temperatures 30s and 40s rather throughout. Should be in the mid-50s this time of year. All right, interesting part number one. Look at this travel trouble as we head through our Friday into Saturday. Look at all that snow from Chicago to St. Louis. That's going to be accumulating snow, folks. So if you do have travel plans heading out that way, that is going to be a major snarl. Now, the good news is as that system gets closer to us, are we going to see accumulation? No, probably not. Could see some wet snow at the front end of it. But look at this in the Midwest. It could be 6 to 12 inches of snow. Now, for us, again, an early mix possible. Otherwise, it's just kind of more so a chilly rain here on Sunday. There's some of that blue, so it's kind of window dressing flakes in the morning, and then it's just mainly rain for the rest of the time here as we head through the day on Sunday for the Commanders game. And then for the rest of our 7-day forecast, expecting temperatures in the mid-40s here, and then a mainly rain system as we head into Tuesday with still fairly low to medium confidence here in timing and amounts, but models are kind of saying it's more so rain than snow at this point.
All right, Jonathan, thank you. At 5:20 with Thanksgiving coming.